The tip I'm about to show you will help a little bit with privacy and security, but it will also help you save some battery life here. And what it is turning off your analytics and improvements. So the first thing that we're gonna wanna do is go into our settings. Then once we're inside settings, we wanna scroll down to where we see privacy and security. Right, so it's right down here, privacy and security. We're gonna go ahead and tap on that. Once we're in privacy and security, we're gonna scroll all the way down to where we see analytics and improvements. Go ahead, tap on this. And so now you can see that I currently have Share iPhone Analytics, okay? This is going to kind of run your battery life down a little bit here. And arguably it's really up to what you think, but maybe your iPhone can be a little bit more secure if you turn that off. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn it off. When you turn it off, your phone won't have to create as many caches and all of that to continuously keep uploading and sharing those analytics. They can help to improve the software and everything, but I think it's probably just better to have it off. That's just my personal opinion. You do exactly what you want to do, but hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.